Yeah, good evening. So yesterday we have seen AR and VR and also this application integration. So just to I will just go through all this again. Coming to this AR and VR, we can actually create the games or an application based on this augmented reality or this virtual reality with the help of this Amazon Simulator. So coming to the process, it's the same as the traditional way from making a video game or some real-time graphic motion game. So firstly, we have to build the character and then add the functionalities to the character and then start working or coding on the remaining game. So that's the like here we'll also be following the same procedure here. And coming to this application integration, we have seen this step function and Amazon MQ message queues, simple notification services and simple queue services, and also this SWF. So today we'll look at this customer engagement and so in customer engagement, the first one comes is Amazon Connect. So it is a contact center that enables the engagement at any scale. Like we can actually hmm, treat it like a platform where everyone can come, everyone can connect. So everyone comes there and just kind of, everyone is connected there. So that is what this Amazon Connect is. And the next one is Pinpoint. So in this Pinpoint, so it engages users via emails, SMS, push, and analytics. So it may either be it may be either this billing part or even this tracking thing. So whatever the information may be, so it engages these users via emails, SMS, and SMS push notifications, and also the analytics. Coming to this analytics, we have seen will show the users or the customers the data which they have used, or it may be either the billing or when it comes to the storage service, then it may be either then it may be this amount of storage used or not. And they have this simple email service. So I think we don't have to, you know, discuss this in brief because we can get it by the name itself, the simple email service. So this means the sending and receiving the emails. So coming to Amazon Connect. So Amazon Connect makes it easy for you to set up and manage a customer contact center and provide reliable customer engagements at any scale. So with Amazon Connect, you can deploy a customer contact center with just a few clicks in AWS Management Console. Onboard agents from anywhere and quickly begin to engage with these customers. So firstly, you have to create your Amazon Connect and then test drive it and then set up your contact center. So we'll just check it out. So in order for the first step comes is the identity management, and after this you have your administrator, and then this telephony options. The fourth one is data storage, and the last one is review and create. And when it comes to this identity management, so Amazon Connect can be configured to manage your users directly or to leverage an existing directory. So this cannot be changed once your instance is created. So so here you can actually serve the store users within this connect or link to an existing directory or SAML 2.2 based authentication. So coming to this SAML stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. So this is an open standard that many identity providers use. So here you can actually store users within the Amazon Connect. So here you will be directly, accessing, connecting your bucket, that sorry, your site. And after this, it will redirect you to this administrator and telephony options and data storage. So once you have set up all your thing, then this Amazon zone will be created. And coming to this pinpoint console, so we have seen this thing like pinpoint is it engages the users via emails, SMS, push notifications, or simple by emails and all. So here what happens is it lists you all the projects which you have, that means which you have created or which you are running in this AWS. So here we have created this mobile hub and this Note mobile hub. So this one we have done it in this mobile app development tutorial. And coming to this Note, we have done this in how to set up this applications with faster. So here once you click on the project name, then it will show you the application analytics, like in the last 30 days what's your performance here. So like this, it will be showing you all the details of your application. Here you can see this transaction, email metrics, campaign metrics, and all. So yeah. That's for bull. And if we go for note now, here also it will show you the same for like this application analytics for the last 30 days, and campaign metrics and email metrics and all. So coming to this Amazon simple email service. This enables you to send and receive email using a reliable and scalable email platform. So here, what you can do is you can manage your identities, you can monitor your email sendings, and you can also configure your email receiving. So coming to this manage identities, so it verifies your email addresses and domains, sends a test mail, and configure email sending settings. So here, once if you log, if you're going to create a new account in a website, or if you are going to sign up in a new site, then what happens is a review mail, or a confirmation mail will be sent to your registered Gmail, like registered email ID which you have given at the time of the sign up. So to that mail, a confirmation code will be sent. So once after opening that mail, they'll give us some link, like on clicking this link, your account will be activated. So something like this. So all this part you can actually manage it with this simple email service for your application. And coming to monitor email sendings, so you view metrics for bounces, complaints, deliveries, and the number of emails which you have sent with respect to your sending limits and all. So it monitors the whole email system. And finally, you can configure this email receiving tool. So you can set up the rules that specify what you want Amazon SES, that is the simple email service, with emails it receives on your behalf. So here you have this developer guide and the API references. So, for the developer guide, like how to integrate this with the application and all, and also this API references here. So you can actually directly integrate this thing with your application or either call an API. You can call this service whenever you require, like whenever you want. So we'll just go with the developer guide first. So here, you have all the following things. That is sending an email, receiving an email, controlling access, controlling access, logging API calls, using credentials, using the API, regions, limits, resources, and appendix. And, so here you can also check out, what this like Amazon SS integrates seamlessly with other AWS products. Like so you can add email sending capabilities to any application if your application runs in Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. And you can use this AWS Elastic Beanstalk to create an email-enabled application, such as a program that uses SES to send a newsletters to the customers. And you can set up this Amazon Simple Notification Service, that is this SMS, to notify you of your emails that bounced, refused the complaint, or were successfully delivered to the recipient's mail server. When you use this SES to receive emails, your email content can be published to SMS topics. So you can also control your access to your email sending by using AWS Identity and Access Management. And you can also store emails you receive in Amazon Simple Storage Service. So you can also take actions on your received emails by triggering Lambda functions. You can use this cloud trail to log Amazon SES API calls that you make using the console or SES API. And you can also publish your email sending events to Amazon CloudWatch or Kinesis Data Firehouse. So if you publish your email sending events to Kinesis Data Firehouse, you can access them in Redshift, Elasticsearch service, and also this S3. Now we just go with the API references. So coming to this API references, uh, uh, so yeah, here you have this clone receipt root set and the clone, configuring set and all. So if you're going if you want this clone receipt rule check, then you have to create a receipt rule by cloning an existing one. All receipt rules and configurations are copied to the new receipt rule set and are completely independent of the source rule set. So you can just go with this developer guide for how to set up this thing, and you can request the parameters. So for information about the parameters that are common to all actually, you can just go check out this common parameters. And coming to this original rule set name, so the name of your rule set to clone a type, that is the string. So and whether it is required or not. And coming to this rule set name, it must have the letters, numbers, underscore or dashes and all. Starting in with a letter or a number, contains less than 64 characters, minimum like 8 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, and one special character or something like this. And coming to these errors, you can just check out these common errors or already exist one. So it indicates the resource could not be created because of naming conflict. So the HTTP status code for this already existing error is 400. And coming to this limit exceeded. So this indicates the resources could not be created because of the service limits. For a list of Amazon SES limits, see you can just go with the guide there. And for limit exceeds, it gives you the code of 400. And coming to this rules that does not exist, it give so the status code will be 400. So for the errors, like it have this separate specified values, that is this error codes for type of errors that may occur. So yeah, and now we'll just look at what is the coming to this business productivity. So the first one under this business productivity is Alexa for business provide tools to manage Alexa in your organization. So you can use this from the last 1 year, this Alexa is into the market, and people are using it, and also many organizations are using this Alexa for business productivity, for more business productivity. And we have this work docs and work mails too. So we just go through them. So coming to Alexa for businesses, it lets you empower your organization with voice using Alexa, the tools you need to manage devices scales and user set scales and API to build custom voice skills for your organization. Like we can just take a simple example here for understanding how you can use this Alexa for your organization or your company. So yeah, let's take there are some 3 to 5 procedures in your company that every employer or every customer should do or should go through. So what you can't put someone like continuously, or you can't have someone every time to guide them with those services. So what you can do is you can just like with the help of this Alexa, you can just create build a virtual assistant which will guide them in you know processing all those steps. So here you have your provision and managing the Alexa devices, and you have your configure conference rooms and enrolls and manage users. So and the main on the nowadays what organizations and the employees are doing with this Alexa tools are like for suppose if uh, we are in any summit or any project presentation that generally happens in a company. So if I'm going to present if the whole session is something like 2 to 3 hours, and there's a topic on deep learning or this natural language processing for something like 10 to 15 minutes. So for that, like if you're actually going to search or you're actually watching that video only for the information about either this NLP or this deep learning. So so there are tools which where you can just give the context or the name there. Like you want to learn something about this deep learning, right? So just give your input as deep learning there. So it will gives you like in that whole 2 to 3 hours video, it highlights the part of the video, like the time period where this where the discussion is all about this deep learning. So something like this. So you can manage your Alexa devices, and you can also configure your conference rooms. So it is easy for you to configure your conference rooms. You can specify the video conferencing equipment you see, your preferred meeting applications, and your default conference call numbers. So this allows Alexa to start about any meeting or any device in your room. Yes, configure. So Alexa for Business tools is an open platform, and Alexa for Business APIs allows you to configure this work. So we can actually just take a small example. Okay. So previously, what people used to do in the time of presentations is they used to carry this, a small remote sort of thing, kind of thing. So whenever they want to switch any slide, they can just they just click on that remote thing. So, but now what you can do is you can connect all your devices in the room to Alexa, and you can just operate them by the voice command. So you can just tell this Alexa next slide. So it will automatically, gives you the next slide. So changes the slide. And if you want to switch off or turn off any equipment which is connected to the Wi-Fi, so smart devices or smart electronics, you can also access them with the simple voice commands with the help of this Alexa. And you can also enroll and manage users. So Alexa for Business allows you to invite users to enroll the personal Alexa account with your Alexa for Business organization. You can allow Alexa to access the work calendars. You can make private skills available. This lets them continue to use the Alexa feature and skills they have already enabled in their personal Alexa account. And they can use their work skills on any of other devices. So, and now we also have this workouts. So this delivers secure enterprise storage and sharing with strong administrative control and innovative markup capabilities that improve employee productivity. So you have like it's simply like the documents thing, which you can share with the rooms. So there are three steps. The first one is you have to set up your work doc site. And the second thing is you have to access your workdoc site and invite users. And the last step, that is the third step, is download mobile and sync clients. So that is this workdocs. And now we have this work mail, Amazon work mail. So this work mail is a managed email and calendaring service that offers the strong security controls and support for existing desktop and mobile clients. So here you set up your organization, set up your domain name, manage your users. So coming to setting up your organization, you can create a new organization in the cloud or connect on your premise, connect to your on-premise directory to enable the existing users. And you can set up your domain name too. So your own domain name can be used in the email address of your user groups and the resources. And you can manage your users, so you can create new users or enable existing on-premise users to use, to use Amazon work mails and all. So yeah, that's the thing with this work mail. So we are left with this desktop app streaming, IoT, and the game development. So we'll look at the rest of things in the last class, final session, that is on Monday. That is 12th November. So on 12th November, we'll just wrap up all the things covering this desktop app streaming, Internet of Things, and also the game development. So yeah, thank you.